क्लासिक वुड से आपने फर्नीचर लिया, क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा सर हम लोगों को लेकर?
एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत बढ़िया रहा. Actually, I'm very happy with the experience. First thing is, my name is Uwais Bashir, and I'm an entrepreneur. So, आपसे जब बात हुई थी, let's start from the beginning.
Yes.
It was a great way of dealing with the customer. First thing, I was impressed.
Thank you.
That is the reason I went to you guys, and I was not expecting this much, but yeah, it was great. It was on time. The prices were good, and of course, the way you deal with the customers is excellent.
And packaging and transportation?
No issues with that. Packaging was wonderful and completely covered. There was not a single notch or corner where we can just try to get it कि ये कमी है. We were not able to do so. So I don't think so.
जो हमने आपसे कमिटमेंट की थी, जो भी मतलब स्टार्टिंग में लेके जब हम आपसे डील कर रहे थे, जो भी हमने आपसे कमिटमेंट की थी, आपको इसमें हमारे से कुछ भी इसमें लगता है कि हमारे से कुछ कमी रह गई है? क्योंकि हर इंसान पूरा नहीं होता, कोई भी चीज़ पूरी नहीं होती.
No, I don't
तो
think so.
आपको कुछ लगता है कि जो भी आपने हमारे से बेड, डाइनिंग, सोफ़ा जो भी लिया है आपने, कहीं ना कहीं आपको कुछ लगा है कि हमारी इसमें पैकेजिंग में, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में एंड सर्विस में, जैसे हम सहारनपुर से कश्मीर आए आपके पास, सिर्फ आपने बुलाया, उसी की आपके प्रेम में हम चले आए हैं. आपका इतना अच्छा नेचर और आपका इतना अच्छा बात करने का तरीका, जो ये मतलब एक मैं आपको कहूँगा ना, जैसे कश्मीर एक जन्नत होता है, यहाँ के इंसान का जो दिल है ना, तो वो मेरे पास वर्ड्स नहीं है, मैं उसको कैसे एक्सप्लोर करूँ. जो यहाँ के मतलब जेन्युइनली मतलब जिस चीज़ों को सारे मतलब जैसे इन्फ्लुएंसर होते हैं यहाँ पर सारा एक्सप्लोर करते हैं सब चीज़ों को, तो मैं इंसान जो यहाँ के जो लोग हैं, मतलब जो यहाँ के रहने वाले हैं, मैं उनको मतलब क्या बताऊँ मैं, मतलब उनका कितना अच्छा मतलब वो है कस्टमर को लेके, और वैसे भी मतलब मेरे पास वर्ड्स नहीं है उसको बताने के लिए.
That's your kindness. I really appreciate. Commitment was wonderful. There is no question. मैं कहीं पे कमी नहीं निकाल सकता because जो भी commitment हुई थी delivery के time in regards to delivery date and time, everything was on time.
Thank you.
Even मैं ही थोड़ा कम पड़ गया because of the things were not completed here. And second thing जो मैंने आप लोग last time पे बोला था कि I also need to add the side tables.
Yes.
Which was very tough task for you, but it is great that you completed the task at the same time, and I'm so happy with the services they provide.
बेड कुछ दिखाना चाहिए आप कस्टमर
Yeah, of course. This is the sofa, and this is of course royal. And see the bed. I asked for the carving. This is look at the bed. Even I'm just eager when I'm gonna sleep on it because I will feel like a king. Trust me, guys. And thank you very much.
Second bed, please.
Yes, of course. This is the beige color. This is my room, and I'll show you my kids' room. Okay.
Yes.
Here's another one. This is my daughter's room, and the color is of course pink, and it's looking wonderful. She's also impressed.
Yes, thank you, sir.
And look at the side tables. They are matching. They are just mingling into each other and just increasing the grace of the room.
Bed carving, sir.
Bed carving, there's no doubt about that. I cannot say anything about that. I have no words for that.
Thank you.
For the bed carvings, it's great.
And third bed, sir.
And I'll show you the best bed for my son.
Please.
If I go into little bit details, you can see the flowers cut in here and the carvings that they have done, and this epitome of this bed is here. You can see it, how it is inclined on the top. It's wonderful, and I'm sure there must be lots of hard work in creating such a great thing.
तो हमारे जो क्लासिक वुड के जो कस्टमर हैं, आप उनको एक एडवाइस जो भी आपके मन में हो, विदाउट एनी क्वेश्चन, विदाउट एनी डाउट, जो भी आप
I would say just go for it if you are thinking about carving things, especially that's what I got. So I would say Classic Wood is the first place that you should go and deal with them. There's no question, no threat. Everything is on time. Everything is delivered as promised. That is what our customer looks for, I think. So I think everything will be good if you will go with classic house.
एंड डाइनिंग जो नीचे है उसके बारे में
Dining is wonderful, of course. It is not open yet, but I have seen the videos and the photos of the same. The base of the dining, we get
Yes.
into the carving of that. It's great. It gives you a feel of royal touch.
थैंक यू वेरी मच
Thank you very much.
वेरी मच
Great. Thank you.
नाइस टू मीट यू
Same here.